In this quick TikTok video, we will see how you can remove the video as your profile picture on TikTok. If you're tired of the video as your profile picture, or you simply like a static photo more, then follow my steps, because I'm going to show you how you can remove this completely. But before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos like this one. The first thing that we will do is to open our App Store if we are on our iOS device, or the Google Play Store if we are an Android user. We just have to make sure that our TikTok application is fully updated to the latest version. Once we check that, we will open our TikTok application and then go over to our TikTok profile. This is my profile right here, and you can see the video playing as my profile picture. In order to remove it, I will tap on this Edit Profile button, then select the video at the right side, and you will get 3 different options. You can change the video and add a different one as your profile picture. You can watch the video, or you can remove it, which is what I will do. Wait a second or two, and that's it. You will be left with your picture as the TikTok profile photo, so when I go back, you can see that we don't have the video anymore. If you found this video helpful and want more similar TikTok tutorial videos, make sure you check out the TikTok playlist from the description down below, and I will see you in the next video.